fluclu, a transmissible disease forecasting service fine-grained to a suburban locality. We aim to trade service for symptom data to provide population-driven historical and forecasted information on transmissible diseases such as the flu. A wealth of information is provided to the public about weather history and forecast, but only inaccurate and non-user friendly information is provided to the public about the flu and other transmissible diseases. This is because population data about the flu is harder to obtain. This is particularly concerning as influenza has a far larger impact on an individual and the population as a whole. We strive to address this problem with a symptom collection service so we can provide the public with as much information about transmissible diseases as they receive about the weather. At the heart of this solution is both the trade of service for symptoms and the application of modern epidemiological forecasting models. We present here a prototype of our mobile application platform, which here only features flu prediction services in Greater Sydney. When a user downloads the app, they declare home and work/study locations, which allows us to tailor the information to their lifestyle and to enhance the accuracy of data collection. Following the loading screen, the user selects whether they have flu-like or other or no symptoms. We can use this to update our information regarding the fraction and hence number of infected and susceptible individuals in a given suburb. Following their answer, the user is directed to a heat map which depicts the fraction of individuals infected per suburb of a greater region such as Sydney. This translates to the user's likelihood of contracting the infection. Selecting a particular area reveals a time series of historical in blue and forecasted in red of the percentage of individuals with flu in the given suburb. Using this information, a user can make an informed decision on their future actions. This is particularly important for those with suppressed immune systems or have a large upcoming exam, meeting, or potential date. Trustworthy, historical, and forecasted information regarding the flu is valuable to companies as well as the public, which, for instance, will allow them to prepare for reduction in workforce during peak flu seasons. Furthermore, such information will aid pharmaceutical and vaccine distribution services in supply chain management. A number of parties, such as the Australian government and Google, have attempted to obtain the same information but have failed. For instance, the government failed as the number of individuals who see a GP with a flu poorly correlates with the fraction of infected individuals in a given area. Similarly, Google has failed as Google searches of related symptoms also poorly correlates. Inherently, our service addresses these problems. This is fluclu, the next generation service which acts to prevent the contraction of transmissible diseases today so they do not need to be treated tomorrow.